If root 3 sin theta is equal to cos theta, find the value of sin theta into tan theta into 1 plus cot theta by sin theta plus cos theta. Given root 3 sin theta is equal to cos theta. Root 3 into sin theta by cos theta is equal to 1. Sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. Sin theta into tan theta into 1 plus cot theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta is equal to sin theta into tan theta into 1 plus cot theta divided by, take common sin theta, that is sin theta into 1 plus cos theta by sin theta, that is cot theta, is equal to sin theta cancel, 1 plus cot theta, 1 plus cot theta cancel, that is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. Find the value of theta if cos theta by 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta is equal to 4. Theta is less than or equal to 90 degrees. Given cos theta by 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta is equal to 4. Take common cos theta, that is cos theta into 1 by 1 minus sin theta plus 1 by 1 plus sin theta is equal to 4. Cos theta into 1 plus sin theta plus 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta is equal to 4. Cos theta into sin theta cancel, 1 plus 1, 2 divided by 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta, that is 1 minus sin square theta is equal to 4. Cos theta divided by 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta is equal to 4 divided by 2. Cos theta cancel, that is 1 by cos theta is equal to 2. Cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Cos theta is equal to cos 60 degrees. Theta is equal to 60 degrees, that is less than 90 degrees.